Hi guys, how are you doing? So today in my video, I'm not gonna be here for a while, but watch. Oh, hi. And I'm gonna do a video, so news report. So Hurricane 1000 is now here and help me, help. 10 days later. Yeah, hurricane is done. So now, yeah, Ducky loves his prime. He loves it. I'm back. You might see me in a different video, but yeah. So, yeah. So yeah, I'm doing another news report on the big fat cat. Yeah, she's being a good girl. Good girl. Yeah. And I'm gonna do another news report about the wait, hold on. Goku! Whoa, Goku's crazy nowadays. So another news report about big chunky Freddy to our Aiden. Go.